Last night, homes and businesses saw impacts of Hurricane Sally. WSAV News 3's Ricardo Lewis shows us the damage in Guyton and Rincon. He is continuing our coverage now.
So I realized that something wasn't right and that we were most likely in a tornado at that time.
A possible tornado was assumed to have caused all of this damage at the Waters Estate event venue in Rincon. Just after 3 this morning, owner Andrea Alsbrook says she awoke to winds and a loud rumble, a familiar sound to her after living in hurricane-prone Florida.
I looked outside and my heart sunk because I could see that a lot of the pieces on our island behind me had fallen, and I could see some other debris and things around the property here.
While the remnants of Hurricane Sally have moved out, it's left a lot of damage to clean up. Part of this building toppled and pillars on this small island knocked over. The Waters Estate was just days away from the grand opening. It's taken Alsbrook 4 years to put this piece of land together with her brother.
I knew that he would feel very devastated and defeated today, so I knew that we'd have to rally back, and I wasn't going to let it get us down or defeated.
Guyton also saw damaging winds believed to be from a possible tornado. We're still waiting to learn more information from the National Weather Service after they survey the damage. Back in Rincon, Alsbrook says while opening day might not look as glamorous as she thought it would when they open, she's just glad she still can.
It means a lot because, you know, when times are tough and you kind of get a kick, it's nice to know that people care about you and are willing to give you a helping hand.
And to top it off, after a tough day of picking up the pieces, a double rainbow over the estate. In Rincon, Ricardo Lewis, WSAV News 3 on your side.